Hey everybody, it's Brian again. Just wanted to. What I'm doing right now is I'm doing a series of experiments to see which channel gives me the biggest reach. So I just did a recording live on Facebook Live to my Facebook group. That's got over 8,200 members. So I did a little presentation. These are all unannounced. And I have no idea how big these are, to be honest. And this one is just a sample trading alert. I could do this live on demand with the software I'm using. So again, I'm just trying to experiment which one will give me the highest reach. And let's see what happens. These are all unannounced, and I'm doing that on purpose. So in this presentation, what I want to do is talk about my trading alerts. Now, I do a lot of posting on Bloomberg, or from Bloomberg, all the charts and stuff that I, going through their Bloomberg app. And I like to do a lot of the charts, and they get posted on my Instagram, which then get reposted on this page, and Twitter, and my blog. So I've got 3 here, and these are 3 that I don't choose myself. These are chosen by a machine learning process that I use that will pick off the most popular, which means that's all based upon what traders are looking at, based upon that, using machine learning. Don't ask me how it works, because I ain't going to tell you. Just appreciate the benefit of these alerts. So I'm going to work on 3. As I said, on my blog, you'll see here a Quant Labs blog 2016-10, my trading alerts for October 19th. So this is done yesterday. I'm going to do one more on YouTube. See what kind of reach I get, if any. Okay, so let's get into the alerts themselves. So as I said, there's 3. The first one is the Bank of England and Japan all coming up on inflation. Again, this was posted yesterday. So basically what that means is, if you've not been watching the central banks for both England and Japan, their inflation is on the move up, and they may have, each one has their own set of targets. For instance, the US Federal Reserve has a 2% target. Today, the Bank of Japan announced, the ECB, European Central Bank, under Mario Draghi, predicts that they'll reach their trading target of by 2019. So that is their goal, and I think they're all 2% inflation for the annual. So there's these 2 charts that you can see here at this link right here. And you can see how the BOJ, Bank of Japan, and Bank of England are approaching quite a ways off, but they're moving towards the inflation targets that they set. So, which is good. Deflation may be ending. Okay, everything's still negative, but it's still pointing as inflation. This one here, U.S. home automation sales projected to climb. This was a huge one. Companies like Honeywell, and a good experiment to understand this is a really good sector to be part of. And the exact companies, as a hint, from a charting perspective or from a stock picking point of view, go into Lowe's, go into Home Depot, see what kind of home automation products you see, especially the brands. Honeywell's a great one. Google Nest is another one. You'll see a ton of these, and you may want to check out what companies there are. I've already given you 2, and this may be a good long-term play for those companies. When you factor in Samsung, their biggest division is their cell phones, mobile, and that's what pretty well carries Samsung. So just another example. But this home automation is a big one, especially for the U.S. Now the last one, and if you've been watching the under the Brexit back in May, June, this one for the UK pounds. Let me just open this up just to change the look of everything. What you'll find here is, as I said, you'll get a little probably 10-second, 20-second video of me off of Instagram showcasing these little videos. And this one's 4 seconds. So in this one, it is about how you can see in this chart here, the in white, that's the UK pound, the British pound after Brexit. And you can see it drop, and it's dropped a lot. But the funny thing is that the markets, the FTSE, has gone up. So it's something interesting to watch. And today's alert said that the British pound is expected to keep falling. So that's pretty well it. I just wanted to highlight all this stuff and do this big, massive testing of these channels and which one gives me the best reach. So far, my page isn't doing too good. So I'll do one more on YouTube and see what happens. And this is the sort of thing you can expect from me in coming weeks to, next few weeks. Anyways, hopefully you've got something out of this, and I'll get this posted on my other group and my YouTube channel and all the usual stuff. Hopefully this will help you out, and let me know what you think. Talk to you later.